So this is how I proceed for the test. The water base from Standox, it's red. Just spray a little bit to make dirty the gun. After that, I'm just gonna remove from here. Okay, it's dirty inside, and I let the product dry for about 3 minutes. Also in this can I was trying a product that Jaza just put on the market. Actually it's really bad. I empty the pump, I clean a little bit with the microfiber inside. So now I just place the product inside. I just remove a little bit of product. I can do some test when it's new, like smelling, touching. So here the washer is completely open on the pump, okay? For this machine, I also completely open here. And I have a little bit of airs open here. And what is important, I check that I have only 6 bars. So I place the gun inside. Okay, now it's all set. I will start. And I will clean for 3 minutes before checking the result. And it's interesting, we can see in the can, it sounds to be very good that we can really see the difference of colors. So it's like mixing, not making some bubbles. So it seems to be good at the first view. And now, let's see what's happened. Just 3 minutes of cleaning. I can feel the smell is a little bit deeper, but it's okay. Holy shit! Okay, now you can work on your product. It's really not good for water base. No chance. Thank you. It's finished the test. So this is really bad with your product. I just exchange, so empty the pump. And exchange the cans very quickly. I don't completely remove on the side. I know it will be a little bit difficult to clean properly when you already clean with a bad product. I don't know exactly why, but let's see, like 2 minutes with the EcoClean Plus, and you will directly see the difference. Actually, I'm very stressed to see, so it's only 30 seconds, and just to show you, probably we already have the difference. Oh yeah, this is EcoClean Plus. So you can see the difference is just incredible. So I'm sorry, but your product, it's not working at all.